gravity-driven efficiency. The raw oil seeds cascade into the intake hopper, beginning their journey through our next-gen facility. Through rapid, high-frequency vibration, the separator meticulously cleans the seeds, removing even the smallest debris. The seeds are meticulously cleaned before moving to the magnetic sorting stage. The seeds are carefully transferred to the conditioning silos, ensuring optimal moisture levels for the next stage of processing. Cooked seed flakes exiting the heating chamber and moving toward oil extraction presses. Under immense pressure, the golden crude cooking oil is forced through the fine mesh screens of the press barrel. Here at the convergence point, the newly extracted golden oil begins its journey through the central pipeline system. The pipeline vibrates slightly as warm crude oil is pumped towards the massive filtration units for processing.
viscosity of this crude sample is critical for the next generation industrial process.
From these massive tanks, the crude begins its journey, surging through miles of pipeline to the heart of the refinery. Oil entering neutralization reactor, where controlled alkaline solution is injected. Here, the dramatic lighting highlights the moment of emulsification, where the free fatty acids successfully bind within the chamber.
The centrifugal separator efficiently removes the heavier soapstone, leaving behind a stream of purified golden oil.
Here we see the precise injection of activated bleaching clay, a critical step in the oil purification process. Inside the vessel, slow, methodical agitation ensures the bleaching clay is evenly dispersed throughout the warm golden oil. Here we see the next generation process, where the filter leaves capture the spent clay, allowing only the clarified oil to pass through. Inside the deodorizer, crude oil cascades over specialized trays as superheated steam is injected from below. Steam rising through the oil layers, stripping volatile odor compounds under vacuum. This golden oil represents the pinnacle of our next-gen process, completely free of impurities.
Proved refined oil released from quality control tank into final storage pipeline.
From these massive tanks, the golden oil begins its journey through sterile pipelines toward the bottling hall.
bottles enter the labeling machine, rotating belts aligning containers precisely under label applicators.